everyone, I'm here at the Commercial UAV show in Vegas. It's 2024 and I'm Eszter Kovács, the co-founder of DroneTalks. Please, before we go forward and I introduce my guest, my marketing team told me definitely to mention follow us, give us a like, so please do, otherwise they're gonna be grumpy. But I'm here with Paul from AirborneRF, which is a Dimetor product actually from Austria. And we had a few interviews with the CEO, but something new happened at Dimetor side. So Paul, who doesn't know you, can you introduce yourself and share out what is the news of the year at Dimetor?
The news of the year, yes. So the news of the year is actually we are expanding. And due to our impressive growth of Dimetor, I have joined Dimetor as a business developer, supporting commerce with everything. And in terms of products, we have launched our self-service portal, which allows customers more on the aviation side, drone operators, drone service providers, more easily to access the data.
So basically, if I understand well, because we had a corridor check, I can just go up to web page, click, log in, and we can see connectivity data for BVLOS flight from every single cellular providers who are signed up for the portal.
Correct, for the ones who are signed up, which we have a very good coverage already in Europe, where we are working with most of the tier ones in the major European countries.
Which countries? Germany?
Germany, UK, Spain.
Oh, Spain as well, wow.
Basically the whole DACH region.
Austria, I guess you're an Austria covered.
Well, yes. So we have very good coverage there, and all this data can be obtained from our self-service portal, which has been designed to support the scaling and the growth of the UAV industry.
So if I'm an operator, I can just easily log in and see the data. It's easy.
Operator as a drone operator. Yeah, correct.
That's fantastic. That makes things easier for operator, maybe loss quicker.
Correct. It's more scalable. It's more harmonized. It's just a bit more B2C-like, if you will. Fantastic.
And, you mentioned this is very active in Austria, but now we are here in the US. So do you have also partners in the US? And how do you see the US market generally?
The US market, I think, is very exciting. There's a lot of dynamics. The US is also great. It's a big market, a big country, and it's got 3 mobile operators. And we are talking to, let's say, all of them, although I cannot disclose at this point. So there are some where the implementation is more advanced and some are in an earlier stage. But basically, we're on a good path to provide the data for all of the US. And also the US market is very dynamic. So overall commercial drone market size is valued around 6 billion this year. Most of which is still in the visual line of sight space, but beyond visual line of sight is definitely emerging, and we're here to support it. For example, if you're looking at exciting activities in the Dallas area, I'm sure the BVLOS follow us, and all the fans of the drone business will follow up what's going on there with the BVLOS last mile deliveries that certain drone service providers are providing in that area. And we are actually very well positioned to support these activities and take it further.
Fantastic. And what about the satellite guys? Because, we're talking about the mobile operators, but what happens when there is no coverage? Are you also collaborating with the satellite guys?
Yes, we are definitely collaborating with the satellite guys. We had already presented this last year here in Las Vegas at the CES. So what we'll be able to do is we can show you when you don't have terrestrial coverage, where you need to switch to satellite connection, and AirborneRF is able to provide that.
And how do you see the difference? You said the US market is very dynamic. How do you see the difference between the European drone market and the US market? Do you think which one is a little bit quicker to react on the market needs, or where is easier to expand generally with drone operations? Where do you see more movements?
I think traditionally European markets are more fragmented. The US market is probably a bit more homogeneous. We see big industry leaders like Walmart and Amazon pushing hard into last mile delivery. So I'm very excited about that dynamic. In Europe, we see more different initiatives in different countries. Germany definitely taking a lead here with BVLOS on deliveries with our partner Vodafone, who are actually an official partner. Also in the UK, but it's more fragmented, I think, and different countries taking different steps at different times with slightly different regulations around it. But both markets are very exciting and are our main focus as well.
Fantastic. And it's first time for you here in Vegas, or you've been here before at the Commercial UAV show?
First time for me at the Commercial UAV.
And how do you like it so far?
It's absolutely amazing. I mean, I've been at the live demonstrations, and I already met many stakeholders. You can really see like a common mindset. Everybody's really interested in or committed to move things forward, to build new connections, new partnerships. And I'm really very optimistic about the next 2 days to get to lay the groundwork for some important things to come.
Thank you so much, Paul, for the great interview. We will put AirborneRF link in the description. Follow us for more insights from the Commercial UAV.